Brick Patio Restoration by Platinum Pavers. This customer had a very dirty, enclosured patio. He called Platinum Pavers to take care of the situation. We started then spreading chemical to help dissolving the mold and mildew. After that, we used a strong power washer to take care of the rest, leaving the pavers as clean as possible. The next step was apply a high-quality sealer to enhance the color and protect the pavers. Rolling in the edges so we do not spray over the concrete. After Platinum Pavers finished the work, the customer had like a brand new patio. Follow us for more videos.